So what we did previously was write the equations from the graph. So now we're going to use what we know from writing the equations from the graph and graph the equation. So the first thing we have to be able to do is identify the parts of the equation. What does M represent? MB? Good. So once those are identified, we're going to plot the y-intercept as a point on the y-axis. Remember, the y-axis is the vertical one, the one going up and down. Then plot additional points with the slope m. So the slope can be two different things. It can be positive or it can be negative. A positive slope, you can go up and to the right or down and to the left. A negative slope, you can go up and to the left or down and to the right. Looking at example 1, my y-intercept is 1. So I'm going to find 1 on the y-axis. And my slope is 2 over 1. Since it's positive, I can go up and to the right or down and to the left. I'm going to go up and to the right. So I'm going to go 2 up, 1 to the right. 2 up, 1 to the right. I can also go down and to the left. So if I start back at my y-intercept, I can go 2 down and 1 to the left. 2 down and 1 to the left. I'm still going to be creating points on the same line. Once I've created about 3 to 4 points, I'm going to use my ruler and connect them, making sure the arrows of the line are off the coordinate plane or off the grid. For example 2, what's my y-intercept? So I'm finding -4 on my y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's my slope as a fraction? Vincent? -1. Good. And if it's negative, what directions can I go? Looking at the front page of your notes.
Up and left, down, right.
Okay. Again, you can choose which, either up and to the left or down and to the right. So up and to the left. Up one. And then I'm going to use my ruler to connect my points, making sure the arrows at the end go off the grid. So for number 3, we have a y-intercept of -2, so I find -2 on my y-axis, which is right here. My slope is 3 over 2. I can do 2 things, up and to the right or down and to the left. Let's just switch it up, and I'm going to go down and to the left. So I go 3 down, 1, 2, 3, and 2 to the left, 1, 2. I want to do more than 2 points. Since I can't go down and to the left again, I'm going to go up and to the right now. So back at my y-intercept, I go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and to the right 2, 1, 2. Up 3, right 2. And then I use my ruler to connect my points, making sure the edges of the line or the arrows on the line go off the coordinate plane. For number 4, my y-intercept is +3. So on the y-axis, I go up 3, 1, 2, 3. My slope is -2 over 1. So I can go down and to the right. So 2 down, 1, 2, to the right 1. Down 2, right 1. Down 2, right 1. Using my ruler to connect my points.